welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing amazing because I am doing great. So in today's video I'm taking you guys on a house tour. How about that? I'm taking you guys on a house tour and I'll be showing you guys all around my home. Maybe not the whole house, but of course the places that I know you want to see. So I'm so excited and I just want to take you guys on this quick tour. It's not going to be a very long tour. It's just going to be a really quick, technical, spot on tour. Okay, so let's get into this house. So come on, let me not take too much of your time. Come with me, let's tour. So this is what the front of my house looks like. I just have the 2 full plants and of course my wreath. Before we get into this video, guys, this video is in collaboration with REGENCY. We are giving away 4 electric lighters. They are flameless lighters. I'm going to show you guys in a minute how that works, and I'll be giving out 4 of them to 4 winners. So if you're interested in winning electric lighters and measuring tape, please stay tuned for the part of the video where I'll be giving you the instructions on how to enter the giveaway. On that note, this is my entryway, guys. Welcome to my entryway. I hope you enjoy this store. I hope you're gonna get some decorating ideas from here, and I hope to inspire someone to decorate their space today. And if you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. I am Dede, the mom, the boss. I hope you're here to stay. I hope you enjoy my videos. Please do subscribe if you do. Now, remember guys, if you've been watching me for a while, you know I had a mirror here, and so I switched out the mirror and got 2 of these wall arts that were in the dining room. I brought them from the dining room to this spot where the mirrors were at because some of you suggested it didn't make sense to have the big mirror and the other mirrors on the walls. So I decided to switch things up. That is what you have to do in your home. Switch things up, guys. Just switch things from one spot to the other. You don't need to buy you don't need to buy new stuff, okay? So somebody also asked me in my previous video how I was mixing the golds and the silver, guys. You just need to do what you want to get. You just need to do what you got to do to get what you want. So right now I'm going to show you guys how I lit my huge candle using the electric lighter. So this is what our electric lighter looks like. It is very modern and sleek. I really like it. On the bottom part, you have the on-off button, which is really nice for safety, especially if you have little kids like me. And then there's another button right here that you just push and it's flameless. But when it comes in contact with the wick, it's going to create flame, you know. I mean, it's modern, guys. I just like it. It's so fancy. I feel fancy every time I use this. And we'll be giving away 4 of these, including measuring tapes for your bodies, guys, to keep fit. I like this so much because it's safe, it's flameless, and it looks really modern and chic. So to win and enter this giveaway, 4 people will be selected, and to win you just have to comment electric lighter down below, and of course be subscribed to us. Leave us a beautiful comment there, and that's it. You entered. And I would love to select a winner, and I would love to send 4 of these to 4 winners. Now let's continue with our tour because I'm so excited to show you guys all what we have in this home today. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. All right, guys. Yes. So this mirror, guys, you know how much I heart this mirror, right? I'm sure you guys, so many of you have also complimented this mirror. I got this mirror from Hobby Lobby and I got it for 50% off. So you can imagine the steal. So yeah, I think Hobby Lobby still has it, but what I'm not sure is if they still have the sale. So now off to my dining room. My dining room is on the left side from the entryway, and oh my god, guys, how beautiful is this dining area. I love it. My dining room is one of those spots in this house that is always made up. It's always made up, like, because we don't use it as much, so I use it to display and decorate every single time. So guys, let me know what you think so far. If you've been enjoying this video, let me know in the comment section below.
not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
If you are like me, you will know it's so hard to ignore the cords that are going on under this table. I'm working on it, guys. I am working on it, trust me. But without that, like, guys, I talked to you guys in our previous video or 2 videos previously about these lamps, and I'm still feeling these lamps. The touch sensor, it's so glam fancy. It looks like even a farmhouse can use it. Any decor style can use these lamps. I'm still feeling them. You know, when I like something, I just go all out. I will use it until I can use it no more. How are you liking my wall art, guys? You know, this wall art has been around for a little bit. I've just moved it around from the living room. I brought it here, and I'm still feeling it as well. You tell me if you like it. It's very simple, chic, and modern. And you guys know I'm all about the modern glam decor. So, yeah. I have a little bar cart here, which is not really used much for a bar cart. I have a little funny wiki bar right there, which I'm going to take you guys there in a minute. But this bar cart, I just use it to display my glasses, whatever. I don't use it as much. But yeah, it's just here occupying space. Soon enough, it's going to get out of here because, I don't know, I'm not feeling it anymore. Then these curtains were gotten from Amazon. So yeah, so far this is what we have, and I hope you're enjoying it. Tell me something nice if you are.
I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick.
So like I told you guys, this is my messy wiki bar area. This is my husband's pot. Yes, we don't even drink as much. Don't ask me why we have all these drinks. Something happened. We had a party and we overbought drinks, and so there were leftovers, and that's why we have drinks a lot. We've been drinking this for months and they are not finishing, guys. But anyway, we'll just keep drinking them. What do we have to lose? Just keep drinking slowly until one day we'll be done. Okay, guys, I'll take you guys to the living room right now. Let's see what we got.
Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know.
So let me use this opportunity to welcome all the new people on this channel. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Please, if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. I would love to answer them. And if you are here to stay, I would also appreciate that a lot if you subscribe to the channel and if you hit that notification bell after subscribing, so you would always be notified every single time I upload videos like this. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, you know that I heart you, right? You know I appreciate you so much. Thank you for always supporting. I really do appreciate you. This wall art were gotten from Home Goods. I got all three from Home Goods. And guys, by the next video, I'm pretty sure something here should have changed because I'm working on something interesting. But I'll not spill the tea. Let me just keep it to myself. And guys, on my last Z Gallery haul, you saw this was this animal print pillowcase, and ooh, I'm feeling it. It feels so good. It feels so elevating. I love it so much. And you see why it has all this space, because I put it in a 20 by 20 pillow, but it's a 24 by 24 pillowcase. So guys, do what you gotta do to get what you want. That's all I'll tell you, okay? Keep enjoying the tour as we go, and don't hesitate to drop your comments down below or your questions so I can answer them as we go. Thank you.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me go now. 'Cause your love made me, baby, go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me, baby, go.
Just a quick reminder, if you have not entered the giveaway yet, don't hesitate to make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and of course comment electric lighter down in the comment section below and you are entered for the giveaway. That's as simple as it can be. So we're gonna pick 4 winners, and these 4 people are gonna be sent the electric lighter and a measuring tape. Please keep watching as we get ready to go to the kitchen part of the house.
Baby, let me know. 'Cause your love made me, baby, go blind.
So
Why
if
are
you
you
follow me
changing
on
your
Instagram, you will
mind?
see that I did a DIY on
We
this
ain't
vase.
got the time.
I repainted this vase and changed it from gold to white and added the strokes, the gold strokes on it. And if you like this better than the gold, please let me know down in the comment section. I would love to know what you feel about changing my vase from gold to white and just doing that little DIY. So I also got these pillows from Z Gallery, and I got this throw blanket from Ross. Guys, how many times did I call Ross in this video? No, not so much, not so many times, guys. Usually I call Ross a lot of times. I'm upgrading. Oh my God, I'm upgrading. And I got my side table from Ross. Yes, Ross in the building.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, go.
So this part of the house is the breakfast area, which we spend a lot of time there too. We eat here a lot. The kids are always around this area. In fact, the most used area in this house is the kitchen, the breakfast area, the living room. Like, we are here all the time. I feel like we use all our spaces a lot. I don't even know if I'll say the bedroom too, because we use all our spaces a lot. So yeah, this wall art, the black and white wall art, was given to me by my best friend and her husband. This was one of their first pieces they did when they started learning epoxy and resin. So this is a little spot here which you didn't see earlier, but it's a little spot where the kids, sometimes it's like a play activity, yeah, an activity spot, something like that the kids always come here since my kids were born. Here I had a set of chairs before. I'm sure you guys are wondering where the chairs went. Guys, I gave those chairs away because those chairs were not sturdy enough. I will show you guys in a minute how my kitchen actually looks. This countertop is two levels. It has two heights. So usually people have the regular counter height. Mine is kind of a little bit higher. So I always need a high chair, like something really, really high. And to find that is not easy, like a good quality one. I found a couple, but they are so expensive. So I'm saving up, guys. I'm saving up, okay? I already have some money, but we need to save up. The other one was so flimsy, like you will sit on it and it's going to be going down after a while, which I did not like. So reason why this spot is empty. But yeah, this is what we have in the kitchen. My kitchen is not fancy, it's just a regular kitchen. But it's big. My kitchen is really, really big. We have our fruit basket here. It's usually filled with fruits, and we always spend the weekend restocking our fruits. We eat a lot of fruits in this house. That's what we have here. And my kitchen, I'll not say is the most decorated, but it has the essential stuff that is needed to run the kitchen. So you tell me, guys, what you think about my kitchen.
Just thought I should let you know that now it's no more, no. I got so high on a hill.
So this is what I was talking about. Like you can see, I have two levels. Usually every other person's kitchen just has the lower level, like it has one level, but mine has this lower one which everybody else has, and then it has the high one. It's very nice. I like it because usually when I'm in the kitchen, I'm cooking, somebody on the other side cannot really see some things that I'm doing in the sink. But the disadvantage is the fact that it's really high. So getting bar stools or countertop stools that can match like your nice fancy stools, it's very difficult. Most often they have the regular countertop height, but when you want to start looking for the ones that are either adjustable height or are just naturally tall, it's difficult to find them. So guys, I was just taking time to show you guys the details on my ceilings. I really like my ceilings a lot. I don't have high ceilings, but I have cute ceilings. And the other part of the kitchen where I told you guys we use this a lot, this is where the kids eat, they watch their iPads, they do anything they want to do while we're in the kitchen cooking, or even in the living room, and they can watch TV here while they are eating. So this is what we have so far. And of course, if you watched up to this point, I really do appreciate you. Thank you so very much. And if you're not subscribed yet, you know the drill. Please subscribe, share this video with a friend to inspire somebody out there to decorate their home today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. I love you guys. Bye.